This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video on Bowditch's method. Alright, here we have a traverse. It's very obviously supposed to be a closed traverse. So the start and end are supposed to match up, but because of some reason, they haven't. Bowditch's method looks to average out this error over the course of the whole traverse to fix it up. And Bowditch's method works graphically. So we're going to use our drawing skills to solve this one. Okay. The first thing we're going to have to do is measure out how long each of these sections are. And we don't have to actually scale for this. We just need to measure out their length in centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. I'm just measuring all of these out to the best of my ability. That seems to be 4.5. C to D is 3.7, looks like 3.7. This last section, D back to A, is supposed to be 2.9, and the difference, D, well, that's only 1 centimeter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out each of these lengths on this line that I drew down the bottom. So I'm going to start A over here. I'm just going to measure out every single one of those distances. So 4 centimeters away is B, 4.5 centimeters away is C, 3.7 centimeters away is D, and then it's supposed to be back to A in 2.9 centimeters. I'll put A prime there. Okay, now the way we're going to fix this is we're going to take this difference, D, and we're going to put it perpendicular to the line I just drew right at the end. So that was 1 centimeter, so I'll draw it in, there it is, and we'll call that D. And what we're going to do is we're going to finish off the triangle using our ruler. So we're going to turn this into a triangle. There it is. And at each of the points that I've got, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line meeting up with the triangle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure them. I'm going to measure them out. So this is 3 millimeters. This is 6 millimeters. And this is 8 millimeters. And then back over here in our original graph, these are going to be the corrections we're going to make. And we're going to make them parallel to this difference. So if I use my ruler, what I want to do is I want to figure out which direction is parallel. And I'm just going to draw in the lines that indicate the direction we're making our corrections in. There we go. And then I'm going to measure out this distance along these lines. So 3 millimeters of B, there we go. It was 6 millimeters of C, there we go, and 8 millimeters of D, there we go, and then to A. And so the corrected traverse joins up these newly created dots. Now I'll put this in red. So we're linking up these new dots that we created, these new positions for B, C, and D. And now this matches up with the original A. So what we've done is we've averaged out this error over all of the other points, which hopefully makes it just a little bit more accurate. And that is how we adjust a closed traverse using Bowditch's method.